Ever wondered how fish and plants can coexist in a single system? Enter the world of aquaponics, a symbiotic dance between aquaculture and hydroponics, creating a sustainable, self-sufficient ecosystem. Intrigued yet? Stay with us as we guide you through setting up your own aquaponics system. First, understanding the basics is the key to success. In an aquaponics system, fish and plants work together. Fish waste offers nutrient-rich food for plants, and in return, these plants purify the water, creating a cleaner environment for the fish. With these basics, you're ready to get your hands wet and green. Now let's dive into the process of setting up your very own aquaponics system. First things first, selecting the right fish and plants. Tilapia and leafy greens like lettuce or kale are a great beginner's choice. Next, you'll need to set up the fish tank. This is where your fish will live and generate the waste that will feed your plants. Remember to keep the tank away from direct sunlight to avoid algae growth. Then it's time to create the growing bed. This is where your plants will grow. The bed should be filled with a neutral medium like clay pebbles, which will hold your plants and filter the water. The last piece of the puzzle is the water pump. This circulates water from the fish tank to the growing bed and back again, creating a sustainable ecosystem for both the fish and the plants. Maintaining the system is crucial. Check pH levels regularly, feed your fish, and prune your plants as needed. And voila! You have your own aquaponics system. It's as simple as that. So there you have it, a simple way to create a symbiotic relationship between fish and plants. This aquaponics system offers a sustainable, efficient, and rewarding way to garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content like this. Happy aquaponics gardening!